Hi guys, this is Ray Chen from your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. Today I want to share with you one of my up and coming brand new listing in the city of Monterey Park. The address is 432 North Lincoln Avenue, Union C in Monterey Park. Let me first share with you the location of the property and let me share the screen. Okay. Okay, so here's the location. It's right off of Freeway 10. It's easily accessible to freeway, and also there's many shoppings. There's just one more street down. You have the Atlantic Times Square. That's only a couple minutes drive away, and you have all the markets: Ralph, Ranch 99 Range Market. You have all the restaurants. You have the AMC Theater. And right next to it, you have the Dim Sum Express. The Garfield Medical Center is also just one more street, just next on the other street. And is also within walking distance to Mark Keppel High School. So the location is very convenient. It's a great property, 3-bedroom, 3-bath. You have a 2-car attached garage. Yeah, I mean, what more can you want, right? So let me show you some of the pictures. Here's the bathroom. The kitchen is brand newly remodeled. You have the beautiful white cabinet and the countertop, brand new. Okay, so it's the kitchen, the bedroom. So here's some exterior of the picture of the home. You have the attached garage, and you have the 3-bedroom, 3-bath. So there's also a hangout area, relax area in the end of the complex. And by the way, the complex is completely gated, so it's very safe, very clear. I mean, very safe, very so you have this is the front entrance of the property. So as you can see, overall, it's a very nice property, great location. Let me show you the street view. So here's the street. Let me see, which side is it on? Actually, that's not the street view. Let me see. Okay, so here's the correct street view. So you have Lincoln Avenue here. So this is the driveway going into the property. Let me just pull back a little bit. It's a very nice, safe neighborhood. So on the right-hand side, you don't have a lot of buildings, which is good. And here's the driveway going inside the property. There's total of just, let me see how many units. There's not a whole lot of units in here. Just 5 or 6 units, not a lot, yeah. So it's a very good location, very convenient. So here's the front entrance. So yeah, great property. We're gonna put it on market next week. This is Ray Chen from your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. And my number is 626-789-5768, 626-789-5768. Get this home before it's sold, okay? So if you have a home that you want to sell, or if you wanted to switch another home, give me a call. Let me tell you the reason why. There's 3 big reasons you should sell your home with me. Number 1, we already have the buyers. We have 50,000 plus buyers in our system. Number 2, we sell your home for at least 3% more than the average agent can sell your home for. Number 3, we can sell your home at least 3 times faster than what the average agent can do. So give me a call at 626-789-5768. Again, this is Ray Chen from your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. Okay, until next time.